In today's session, we are going to learn about what quadratic equations are, and we'll try to identify the given equation is quadratic or not. Hi, I am Syed. Welcome to my channel Educate with Syed. Let's get started. Today's topic is quadratic equation. Let us try to understand what quadratic equations are. So any equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 will be called as a quadratic equation, where this x which is there is called as a variable, whereas this coefficients a, b and c are constants. And the value of a should not be equals to 0. Suppose if the value of a becomes equals to 0. So let us try to see if it becomes equals to 0 what happens. Suppose if I put a as 0 over here, so a is 0, 0 into x square will become 0 itself, so we will be left out with only bx plus c is equals to 0. Then this equation will be called as a linear equation. Because the power of x is 1 over here, therefore this given equation becomes linear. And here the power of x is 2, therefore such type of equation will be called as a quadratic equation. So let us take few examples and identify whether the given equation is a quadratic equation or not, and we'll try to express the given equation as a quadratic equation. So let us take the first example. Check whether the following equations are quadratic equations. So the first question is x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2 times of x minus of 3. Now let us try to check whether this becomes a quadratic equation or not after simplifying this equation. So we have to get the equation in this form: ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So if the equation is in this form, then I can say that the equation is a quadratic equation. Let us try to simplify this one. So let us try to expand this one. The left hand side value is in the form of a plus b whole square. So we know the formula of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? This is a formula. Everybody knows this formula. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here if I want to use this formula, we are having the expression as x plus 1 whole square, which means that the value of a is what? The value of a is x. And what is the value of b we have? The value of b is 1. So let us just try to plug in the value of a to be x and the value of b to be 1. So let us see what happens here. So let us use the formula. A value is x, so a square is x square plus 2 times of a value is x into b. What is b value? B value is 1. A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is the value of b here? B value is 1, so it is 1 square. So I've just used this formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Are you getting this one? Alright, so that is equals to, on the right hand side, let us try to multiply this 2 inside. So 2 times of x will become 2x, and this minus sign is there as it is. Again multiply this 2 with 3, so 2 times of 3 will be 6. Right? So now let us further simplify this one. This is x square plus 2x into 1 will become 2x plus, here 1 square will be 1 itself, is equals to, you have 2x minus of 6. So let us further simplify this one. I will keep this x square as it is plus 2x as it is and this plus 1. let me take this 2x minus of 6 on the left hand side. So what happens if I take this plus 2x on the left hand side? Will it become minus 2x, right? This plus 2x, when it comes on the left hand side, it becomes minus 2x. And this minus 6, when it comes on the left hand side, what it becomes? It becomes plus 6 is equals to, on the right hand side we just have 0. Let us further try to simplify this one. You can observe that this plus 2x and minus of 2x will cancel out, and we are just left out with x square, and you can see over here 1 plus 6 will be 7. X square plus 7 is equals to 0. So since the equation that we have got is x square plus 7 is equals to 0, now we'll try to check whether this given equation is a quadratic equation or not. If it is a quadratic equation, you have to get it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here the first term is x square. Okay, you can check that you are having x square. The coefficient of this x square in this case is just 1, plus you don't have x over here, so can I just write it as 0 times of x just to get in the standard form? 0 into x will be 0 itself, because x is not there over here, therefore I am writing 0 times of x plus this 7 as it is equals to 0. Now if you try to check this given equation, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So the coefficient of x over here is just 1, so therefore the value of a is what? The value of a is 1. So it is b times of x. What is the value of b over here? The value of b is 0. And what is the value of c over here? The value of c is equals to 7. Therefore this particular equation that you have got over here, x square plus 7 is equals to 0, is a quadratic equation. So therefore we can conclude that this given equation is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. So hence this given equation, the equation that we have, x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2 times of x minus of 3, is a quadratic equation. Right? Are you getting this one? If you have any questions or queries, you can just put in the comment box. We'll try to continue this topic in the next video. So that's all I have for today. Thank you.